Hello, today I'm doing a tutorial on how to make TF2 items. So the thing is with this is that you don't, so you can't actually put it into TF2, but you can create the stats and the name and the image for it. So that is the next best thing than actually putting it in the game. But you can hire someone to put it in the game. You can also put it in the game. So you can search up some more tutorials if that's what you're looking for. But for starters, what we're gonna want to do is go to GamePro 5, awesome TF2 card creator. Link is in the description. So, and then in the item name, then you do attributes, positive, negative, and then neutral, which is like, so if we go like this, and this, so then you press generate, and then it gives you this. So positive is blue, negative is red, and neutral is white. So, and then you can put the item name, generate, and then and then upload an image. So we'll just like do this. Yeah, so quite cool. So yeah, that is how you do it. Goodbye.